I no get money, now waiting again.
Young lady, stop wasting my time. Why did you break into your neighbor's house and steal his briefcase?
I did not steal anything, sir. Sir, you have to believe me. I'm not always at home, sir.
Ebuka accused you of stealing.
Why will he accuse me of such a thing? Sir, I'm a sales girl. I go to work early at 6 a.m. I come back late in the evening.
On the day of the arrest, you were at home. Why?
Sir, I was on leave. My sister's wedding is this weekend. I just took the time off to prepare myself.
Is that all you're telling me? Do you want me to use electrical iron on you?
No.
I have to use electrical iron on you.
No, sir.
By the time I'm done with you, you have to speak the truth.
Sir, please, I don't steal anything.
Young lady, speak up.
Lie. Nobody can intimidate me. Not when I know my right. And besides, I'm not always at home. I just got back from work and people arrested me.
You may have walked into that house and pick up that briefcase. You came here and claim innocent.
Officer, you're not a judge. Arraign me before a competent court of law. And I'll prove to you that I'm innocent.
Oh, is that what you are saying? You want to frustrate this investigation?
Officer, you're the one frustrating and inconveniencing yourself. And in light of this, I want to speak to a lawyer.
Oh, you want to tell me that you know you're right, Abby?
I want to speak to a lawyer.
We have to see to that. We have to see to that.
Life full of mysteries, stories and memories.
She's not here.
Officer, search everywhere.
Oh no, I'm hearing because where is it? That's one way.
Well, Grandmaster, I will do as you've instructed. I am sure this time we'll have positive results.
Good. How about your friends? They are yet to complete their task.
Well, I was with them some days back, and I am sure they are at the verge of completing their task.
Time compels them to hurry. There will be consequences for defaulting.
I am sure they are aware of that. But on the contrary, they were complaining bitterly about the downturn in their business. And I am as well concerned.
Their destiny lies in their own hands.
I'm sorry, Grandmaster, I do not understand.
There are forces, much forces, that control the physical from the spiritual. And so is the law of the Arab world. You must warn them that they have to complete their task. Only then will they be able to hold enormous wealth. Time is against them.
Very well, Grandmaster. I will send across your message.
Go well.
Thank you, Grandmaster.
This woman said 48 hours. This is 3 days now. Eh? I've no response from her. I'm beginning to believe that this woman, maybe she claimed to do what she knows she cannot do. You know. Chinedu. house? What is it? Chinedu said the police see the house. Why? Why? What kind of nonsense is that? Hello? Yes? What is going on? What? My father? What? What? Say that has an accident. Where? What is... What is happening? Madam, what is the problem now? I'll be waiting for you. Huh? What's going on?
Is that because boys? What is wrong? Let them start, let them do their job. I told your daughter, stay away from this box. Stay away from that box. She wouldn't. Why didn't you train your daughter to stay away from people's phone box? Tell her, police, do your job. Don't come in now. I am rough. Let them bring that box. Don't bring that box. Stay away from this box. Stay away from this particular box. You won't listen. Onyori, thief, do your job. Do your job, officer. Officer, do your job. Do your arrest the thief.
I said my daughter is not a thief. No, you have not told me why you're looking for my daughter. My daughter is not a thief. No,
did you see anyone there?
no, sir.
Please, sorry for keeping you people waiting. Move it. You are under arrest.
Don't say anything.
For what?
I said you are under arrest for child abduction.
Madam, move.
What? This is our sister.
Move, madam.
Move it.
Move.
It's our sister.
Move.
I said move it.
Move. Hey, madam,
Move it. Move it.
move.
Move it.
Move.
I said move it. Move it.
Move. Hey,
Keep
madam.
going.
Shut up. Move.
Are you aware of what they
Yes,
Said about what you are wearing.
move. Come on.
Life full of mysteries, stories and memories, pains, love and tragedy, all in one food. Love we come, hate we come, stories begun, we just have hope. Life full of mysteries, stories and memories, pains, love and tragedy, all in one food. Love we come, hate we come, stories begun.
The booze, my man. In a try, you did try. With your wife, what I see today, for down there, for that boutique, where she dey buy everything where there for boutique. You carry your money, give your wife, she dey go, dey flex with her friends, dey buy things for boutique. My man, I be one be like you. If I get money, I dey give my wife.
Wait. You say you see who?
Your wife.
You see my wife? Where you see my wife?
for boutique where there for.
Which boutique? Which area? Which area?
Lagos boutique.
Lagos boutique?
Yes.
You see my wife? You see my wife?
Yes, I see.
I better go show me my wife.
Wait.
Don't tell me something.
No, I know.
Don't show me my wife. Okay, go show me my wife. I will close your leg. Go show me my wife. Go show me my wife. Officer, that's the thief. This is the thief. Forget the face. That's the thief.
Are you alright?
Are you alright? Are you alright? Don't call my name. Are you alright? I didn't ask you not to touch the box, but you insisted. You wanted to be rich overnight. Look at your two accomplices. Officer, what are you waiting for? Arrest this woman now.
Arrest her!
Madam, you are under arrest and you are to remain silent. Officer!
Sir!
Arrest her!
You
What
arrest
is
her!
going on here? I will go to the
Arrest, don't do anything. Forget about all this makeup. Arrest this woman. So you are not telling my wife to steal the ball. Just hold it down. Come and get out.
How will you get out?
Get out.
Get out!
Out!
Out! See how dirty he looks. Too dirty! Disgusting!
Now, where were you taking the child to?
Am I under arrest? Do you know it's against the law of this country to arrest an innocent citizen without warrant?
Answer my damn question. Where were you taking the child to? That child was taken away from her mother barely hours after she was born.
My sister just gave birth. When we were driving her to the airport, did you see me with any child on my arms?
Do you know you committed a capital offense?
My friend, are you accusing me of kidnapping? See, I can sue you and sue the entire police force. Now listen, if you don't mind, I would like to speak to my lawyer.
Before your lawyer, can you answer this one more question? What is the name of your sister?
Officer, that is how it happened. So we need to leave here because my sister's husband is worried.
I understand. But how come your supposed sister whom you claimed gave birth to a newly born baby is actually a matron of the same hospital where a baby disappeared after birth?
Officer, I don't remember that. You know, my sister has changed her job several times. I mean, she's always going for a greener pasture.
Interesting. Are you aware that she has been involved in cases of missing children in every hospital she worked?
Officer, I am not aware. I don't know about that.
For your information, Matron Jessica has been under our watch list for years for cases of abduction of over 50 toddlers, and you are her accomplice.
Officer, I don't know about this. As much as I know, see, my brother and I are ready to close this case. Officer, we are ready to close this case. Just tell me, what will it cost?
Have a nice day.
Officer, just name your price. Officer, name your price.
Because so this is your plan. This is your plan, Abi, no problem. Okay, it's alright.
Alright, calm down, madam. Your husband insisted you have always wanted to take possession of that briefcase and that you tried all in your powers to get hold of it.
Officer, please, can I ask you a question? What is my business with that particular briefcase you're talking about? I do not have anything to do with the briefcase. The last time I checked, my ex-husband was always carrying that briefcase from one place to the other, buried it from one side of the compound to another. I am sure he has forgotten the particular spot he buried it. Now he's accusing me. For what now? Here! Because leave me alone, shit. Tell your client to leave me alone. Ah! What is all this one now? I'm no longer married to you. Let just leave me alone.
Gonna help. Thank you very much. So, can you...
Oga? Oh boy.
Who be that?
I'm gonna meet
Who be that?
God, they say my guy don't come, so
Come here. Everybody will come house, you go carry come house. So one day you go see native doctor, you go carry come show my house. So idiot.
Good day, sir. Good day.
Good day, sir. I hope there is no problem, sir.
Oh, there is no problem. Yeah, you don't remember me? I was the man that you carried in your bus.
Oga, I carry lots of people every day. I cannot remember the faces I carry, so I'm not sure. I'm not sure I've seen you before, sir.
This time around, the man that forgot his briefcase in your bus. You remember?
Hi. Sir, you are the one that left a briefcase in my bus, right?
A golden colored briefcase.
Golden colored briefcase?
Yes.
Rectangular?
You are very much in order. Please, can I have it? Hope you don't mind.
Sir, please, sir, there's something I would want to say to you, sir.
About the briefcase?
About the briefcase, sir.
You said you have it, and
yeah,
it should be in your house.
Yes, sir. I swear with everything in me, sir. I saw the briefcase. I won't lie. I don't lie. I saw the briefcase, so I brought it home. You know, I brought it home, and I because I know it's not mine. I did not put it inside where I keep my thing. I kept it very close to this bed.
That is why I said, go in and get me the briefcase.
Is it not the golden briefcase you're talking, sir? Sir, is the golden one now. I kept it here. You know, every morning when I wake up, even before I attend to my wife, I attend to the briefcase because I know the owner of the briefcase will not be smiling. I do attend to the briefcase. The briefcase became more important than. But one of my sir.
It's obvious something is wrong here.
Sir, are you? Wait. My in-law. Oh God, Buchioni. Oh God, Buchioni. Oh God, Buchioni. Oh God. Respect is reciprocal. Oh God. Odogu. How would I know what I have done? Please help me to beg Odogu. Odogu, listen to my neighbor. Odogu.
One week, one trouble, this company. I'm off to my way.
Nelly, I am your friend too. See me now. I am supposed to measure up with you girls. Please, introduce me to your line of business. I want to be like you. I want to be like you people. Please.
Business?
Yes.
Why are you worried? Yes. You follow us everywhere we go. You follow us to different occasions. And we embrace your palms with money. So what else do you need? Is it not enough?
It is not enough, Helen. In fact, it can never be enough. Okay, now check it. I follow you guys to all the functions in town. All the occasions. So what if peradventure there's an emergency? And I just go to ease myself. I'm sure you girls will hop into the car and leave me. Then I'll just be stranded. I don't have any car. I don't have anything to show for myself.
Oh God, see.
Just following you girls to different occasions. It doesn't make sense. I'm telling you. I'm tired of collecting fishes from you. I'm tired. I don't want to collect it anymore. Show me how to catch the fish. I want to use my hand and make the money. Please.
Okay. You win. I will explain to you. You cannot make the kind of money you are looking for from business. Yes. I don't understand. Please just explain to me. We belong to a club, White Angels. It's an international club. They empower women who are eager to make money.
I am eager. I am eager. I am interested. I want... Just tell me what to do. Anything at all. Is it not me? Hey, what am I doing with myself? Hey, is this life? Just tell me what to do and I'll do it. I don't care what it takes, so. Please.
One food, love we go, hate we go, stories begin.
Greetings, Grandmaster.
Douglas,
Grandmaster,
it is time to do the needful.
as it pleases the Grandmaster.
Finally, we get to meet. You see, I know you have a lot of unanswered questions, but very soon, you will get the answers you seek.
All right, sir. Can you please answer this first question? I haven't met you before. Who are you, sir?
Well, call me the Dawn. Well, you see, I brought you here because I want you to meet someone. Someone very special. My boss.
What?
Is this not the same box? No, don't even. Is this not the same box? You almost killed me. Is this not the same box I left the ground? Is this? So you knew where this box was all along, and you are doing this to me. Why is this? Sir, how did you get this box? Don't ask me to calm down.
Gentlemen, sit. I mean, sit. All your questions will be answered.
Sir, please. I have a question. This box. How did it get into your possession?
I mark distinguished men who deserve better life because of their impeccable records and honest dispositions.
I don't understand. I don't understand what you're saying. That doesn't answer my question. How did this box, how did it get into your hands?
This golden box belongs to me.
What?
But
the money you found inside this box is Arab money, equivalent to 200 million naira. This box was planted in your vehicle as a trap. But you didn't fall for it.
So I am more confused now. Please. Who are you people? What am I doing here?
Ebuka Ejiofor.
You know my name?
Wealth itself has found you. Henceforth, money will be your companion. Done?
Boss.
Over to you.
Don. Please, sir, I have a question. That box. How did it get here?
You see, there are so many unanswered questions hovering around us. Meanwhile, that over there is yours. Yes, that. Go ahead.
In my name. What have I done again? You want to put me in trouble again? You want to put me in trouble? What have I done for you to give me 50 million naira now? 50 million naira in my name?
You see, my friend, that is just the tip of the iceberg. Invest that money in any business of your choice. There is an SUV parked outside, purchased in your name. It's all yours.
I'm still talking about 50 million naira in my name now. An SUV. Why can't you just see somebody and make the person millionaire? What is that? What is this? What is? Sir?
All kinds here, man. Ebuka. Or just like my boss said, wealth has found you.
Just like that.
Just like that.
What keeps you so long?
Sorry, traffic. I hope people haven't said anything yet.
They force us to make statements. Look, Barrister, you have to find a way and bail us out of this place.
Well, there's no cause for alarm. I'll go to the DPO and I'll talk to him. And you both will be out in minutes.
Go on with it. I trust you on this.
Thank you.
Just hoping for the best.
I'll be back.
Bye. So they have competent hands that can handle this. We just try.
White angel, as fierce as red, as definite as black. White is not a mere absence of color.
Thou shalt not be at war with a fellow angel. Penalty is death. Thou shalt control wealth, and it shall run errands for you. On no account Should you accept to be married, not live with a man, penalty is death.
All your unborn children belongs to the white angels. There must be a compulsory offering once in every year, and failure to be part of that is death. But if you are good and committed to the rules of the white angels, you will reap of the benefits. White angels.
White angels.
White angels.
As fierce as red, as definite as black. White is not a mere absence of color.
Do you accept?
Yes, I accept.
Very well then. One more task you will fulfill. This is the water from the sanctuary. You will bathe with it at 12 midnight at the graveyard. Do not fear. White angels.
White angels.
White angels.
As fierce as red, as definite as black. White is not a mere absence of color.
Life full of mysteries, stories and memories.
So here we are.
I must say you have a very lovely apartment here.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, Lebuka, on behalf of us, this is your new home.
This?
Yes, this is yours. All of it.
This is mine.
Yes.
This house is.
Yes, my
So this is mine.
Yes. They're all yours. Let me take you upstairs.
Yes.
So you see the rooms.
Okay.
They are awesome.
I cannot wait. This is my house!
Yes!
When money day, love will go day. When money disappear, love is illusion. When money day, love is trouble. When money disappear, love will disappear for. Sweet, darling, sweetheart, sweet, darling, my miss. sweet Dalema, my mistake. Sweet darling, sweetheart, sweet darling, my mistake. When money day, love will go day. When money disappear, love is real. When money day, love is sorrow. When money disappear, love will disappear for.
Our daughter, it's now time for you to show us your husband. Onu ga muta nwanyi muta nwoke etu aka ngo go there in Jesus name.
Remember, is not going. Are you sure she's still coming?
Well, I'm quite sure that the sun shines at noon and the moon at night. Be patient, she'll be here soon.
She better come home, because we cannot afford to fail. Eh? After all that we've passed through. Ha.
Oh, there she is.
Please, I'm so sorry for keeping you this meeting. I was held up by the traffic.
Well, Matron, apologies are accepted. Yes. Oh, you see, these are my friends. They're in search of a pure soul that breeds wealth.
Pure soul? Fresh from the womb?
Of course.
You are under arrest.
Don't say anything.
For what?
I said you are under arrest for child abduction.
Move
it. Madam, move.
What? This is our sister.
I said move them.
Move, madam.
Move it.
Move.
This is our sister.
Move.
I said move it.
Move. Hey, madam,
move it. Move it.
Move.
Move it.
Move.
Hey.
Move it.
Move.
What is happening now?
I said move it. Move it.
Move. Hey,
keep
madam.
going. Shut up.
Move. Move.
Keep going.
Are you aware of what you're doing?
Yes.
Forget about what you are aware. Let's go to the station.
It's my baby.
Madam, make your movement fast.
Move. Come on.
We must all maintain our statement. Is the child still asleep?
Yes, she is. But you must help us out of this situation, else it will blow over.
Madam, relax now, relax. We must surely get out of this situation. See, there's nothing impossible. In this whole life, there's nothing impossible. Just relax.
Mama. Mamalistic mama. Mama, it's me, your daughter. Yeah? It's me, Ngozi. Oh, Mama. Yeah, you don't need to. I know it's you. Yeah. I'm asking Mama. Mama, sorry. Meet my friends. Helen, Linda, Anna.
Mama, good afternoon, Ma.
No. Welcome. Mama, guess what? This is my friend's car. This one here is my own. You see the other one there? I bought it for you. Yes. I knew you would like it. You like it, Abby? But come on. Come here. Jesus. Mama. Mama, what is it you're going to Mama? If you know where you got those things that you said you brought for me, take them back! I am not interested. I don't need it. Mama, what are you saying? What are you saying? I took out my time and money to buy all those things for you. Why would you collect them? Okay, tell me what you don't like and I will change it. Is it the car or the wrappers?
Where is your husband? Go back to your husband's home and marry your husband like I want.
Mama, please, oh, hey, halfway Ebuka, because Ebuka is a long forgotten issue. Take a good look at me. Does it look like I'm still under Ebuka or I need Ebuka? Mama, Biko.
Ngozika. If you did not eat it, you drank it. Ngozika, you are not doing what you're doing with your clear eyes. Sanya. If you know what you're doing to yourself, you will mess it for yourself. Mama, I know you used to like Ebuka. I don't know what has come over you. Ngozika, marry your husband.
Mama, I cannot go back there. I will not. Please, look at the stuff I bought for you. Are you accepting it or not?
Ngozika, go and marry your husband.
Mama, are you accepting the gift or not?
Watch me accept them.
Mama! Mama, stop it now. You're embarrassing me, Mama. Mama, stop it now. No, I don't like this now. I don't like it. Look at how you like her. Hey, wait! Mama, I don't like this kind of thing. I don't like it at all. Look at that! Me in front of my friends now. Mama, stop it now! Stop this thing now! Mama, I don't like it. Mama, I don't like it. Think I'm waiting. Hey!
She don't belong to She don't belong to She wants to live like a queen. She don't belong to She loves money.
Of the town. My sister, let's just say I was in darkness, trying to step into light. Because right now, I see from a different point of view because it stinks.
Yes, things.
Oh, how are you coping? I don't even know. Ha! My wonderful local neighbor. And Jebek, no, don't be surprised. I'm the one. I'm not seeing a ghost. Don't tell me you are still staying in this rat hole of a compound. Afianazwa, have you collected money for today? Richard stinking tenant. Gosh, she just is on ours. Who's she? My dear. That's rude. I know that's rude. But you know what poverty does to people like her? I mean, it takes away their thinking faculty. Shush! Oh, police shift. Contaminate the air for me. I actually came to look for Ebuka. Is he around?
Ebuka?
Yes.
You know they here again, no?
What do you mean by that?
Ebuka not live here again, no? Ebuka don't pack more since.
Ah.
Yes.
Okay, do you know his new address?
New address? No, I don't get a new address. I don't know where Ebuka they stay.
Girls, please, let's leave here. Things. I can't stand.
Madam Mungo. Anything for us?
Yes, this is for you. It will help cure all your pimples and your stretches.
Madam, thank you. Jesus, thank you.
Hey! This is money. Are you sure you didn't see Ebuka's wife in your dreams?
In which dreams?
Hey!
I saw her with my 2 koro eyes. And she gave me this bundle of cash. That woman is in money, yo.
Hey! You know Ebuka too is rich now. You know, I've been wondering how they managed to separate and boom, they just hit this kind of money.
With God, all things are possible.
Indeed, though. With God, all things are possible, including my money now. What about the money? They've given you money, pay me my own.
No.
I beg, give me my money. Let me take my money. Wait, hold on.
Onyo manadon. Onyo chabialibu.
My brother.
Don of all other dons.
You can see that again.
You're welcome, sir.
Sir. No. You see, sir is used for common millionaires. You don't call me that. I am the Don.
Don.
Billionaire.
Billionaire.
Bomb the Don.
Sweetheart, call him the Don.
You're welcome, the Don.
You see, I have heard a whole lot of things that you have been doing to my friend. You're really doing well.
Although, I must say that she is more than a blessing to me. Don't you see how I'm looking?
I see.
She's been taking very good care of me.
Oh, baby.
So, how have you both been doing in general?
Well, as you can see, we look beautiful together. I'm done.
Very good.
You said you wanted to discuss something with me. My sweetheart here prepared a very special meal. How about we discuss it over lunch?
Aha! You see, now I can enjoy that thing that you have been enjoying.
Please, very well after you.
Yeah, the next.
Come next.
Oh, are you true?
Oh yes, I'm true. I was told to expect a call next week.
Oh, yeah, that's right, that's right.
Yeah, so I'm keeping my fingers crossed.
Madam, yeah, the next now.
What are you doing in my office? S! Do not move any further.
Please, Auntie Ngozi, please. Please, I am sorry. Auntie Ngozi, please, I am sorry. I am sorry for disrespecting you. I don't know what came over me. You know I have always respected you. Yes, please.
So this is you, Njideka. You came to look for a job in my office. You came to the wrong office. Get out.
Please, Auntie Ngozi, please have pity on me. I currently lost my old job. I'm in need of a new one. Please, if I don't get this job, I'll be in dark. Please, I am sorry. Forgive me. Please. Please.
Let's open it.
Thank you. Very much. I am grateful.
So, tell me. I mean, you're the least person I expected to see here.
Same here. But I think of it. How did you manage to acquire all this?
That's none of your business. Go straight to the point.
Auntie Ngozi, I'm still wondering. Immediately, you and your husband moved out of our compound and went your separate ways. You both became rich. Does it mean that our compound is cursed?
Ibuka is now rich.
Very, very rich.
Shena money with the talk about. Everybody go belong. Gebute ya be careful once. Papute go quick. Belong. Wakame pute go quick. Oh, try nigga. Oja indi falafuma, abilanguga. Mamba balu nishiniri, no joy niga. He don't belong go, abilanguga. He don't belong go. Hey, yeah, yeah. Abilanguga. Hey.
I'm here to see Ibuka. Is he around?
Ibuka.
Ibuka. Your boss, is he around?
Who I go tell and say the final?
Tell him Ngozi is here to see him.
Ngozi.
Ngozi. Oh Lord.
Babes! Babes! Please hurry, I'm hungry. Babes?
Sir? I need to go one.
Shut up.
Okay.
I said babes. I was talking to my wife.
Who are that? I was here to go yam kesine ko mimbo.
Oh. English.
Okay.
So what is it?
You get one of your big but wait outside. She says she won't see you.
One what?
A big but
what is? Can you speak English?
Okay. Oh, that's a wrong for. You get one woman wait outside. Say she won't see you.
I can't remember giving anyone an appointment.
You call her because maybe we may get a go appointment. Maybe get a go appointment. So
can you just speak English, please?
Sir, I asked him an appointment. He said no. He won't see you.
So what's her name?
Okay. This is her name, Nankosi.
Shut up. What is she doing here? Shut up. Speak English. What does she want?
Sir, I know not. If I know, I will tell you. One day again.
Come with me.
You can come in. I feel we got up here like you already. Ngam for more go for you.
If I no get money, now waiting again.
Do we happy? Come off with it. Don't tell me you're happy.
Who'll take your filthy hands off me? What are you doing here?
Wow. Nice one. I can see you're doing so well for yourself. What I do not understand is your sudden wealth. What happened? I thought I was supposed to be the one giving you scraps of bread. What happened?
In your wildest dreams, you will be giving me scums of bread. Well, sorry to disappoint you. You seeked for wealth. Wealth found me. You have never believed in me. You underestimated me. You never had faith in me.
Come off it, what are you saying? Tell me a woman who would have faith. on a wretched man like you. Take a good look at yourself. You are still a layer of local ingredients. I mean, it shows, it tells all of you.
It is obvious you have overstayed your welcome. Don't get out of my house. Get out. Wait! Let me warn you. The next time you come anywhere close to my premises or anything that belongs to me, you will see the animal version of me. And especially the locally made ingredients. Now get out.
Goodbye, milkshake.
She don't belong She don't belong like a queen. She don't belong She loves She don't belong She wants to live like a queen. She no money with the talk of that. Everybody go belong. Get put ya big for once. Put go quick. Go belong. Okay, me put go quick. Tiny go. Tiny go.
Come from more of you.
He don't belong. Go belong.
Who is she?
Come here. It's not something you should worry your beautiful head about.
I'm curious. I can see she made you very uncomfortable.
The woman you saw out there, she was my ex-wife.
How did she find here?
Desperate people go extra miles to find out what they want to know. On no account should you let that woman into these premises. Copy?
Yes. Yes.
So you good?
Yeah, I'm fine. Your food is ready. Should I serve it?
What are you waiting for? Alright, let's go.
She no money with the talk about. Everybody go belong. Get put ya big for once. Put go quick. Go belong. Okay, me put go quick. Tiny go love ma. Go belong. I'm back while nisin me no join go. He don't belong. Go belong. He don't belong. If I no get money, now waiting again.
Hold on. I think I love this color.
White?
Yes.
White and pink are really not that attractive. Purple and pink does the work massively.
No, but I don't like purple. And then my husband loves white. So I think white and pink will go very well.
White and pink?
Yes.
Okay. So we'll do all white for your bridal shower.
Okay.
And then I've got this picture I want to show you. 1 second. Oh my goodness. This for the after wedding party.
This is it.
You love it.
I love it. This is it.
Okay, you've not made your choice for the cake. How many steps do you want?
Oh, honey.
Hi.
Baby.
Oh, beautiful.
Fine, you're welcome.
Right.
Hello.
Did you meet the event planner?
Oh, so how are you, madam?
Very fine. And you?
Good. How is it going?
Very well.
Okay. Do take care of it. I'll be upstairs in case you need anything. All right, madam. In case you need anything, I believe she'll take care of it.
Sure.
All right.
We're talking about a cake. Yes. I
refuse to accept this. I am not going to take it. What kind of rubbish is that? I am very sure that that's yours. That's not of mine. Should I even call him my husband or my ex? I don't even know what to call him anymore. But I am sure he took the money in the briefcase only for him to come back and accuse me just as a cover-up. But I'm not going to take it. I won't.
Hold on. How did you know he used the money in the briefcase?
I just know. My instinct tells me that he did, and that's it. Period.
You really underestimated this Ebuka. Yes. I think you should forget about him. If you are out, you are out.
No, I refuse to accept that. No, not without a fight. That young man accused me wrongly. And I am going to retaliate. I will so retaliate.
Look, babes, don't count on that. Men are very deceptive. Okay, what's your plan?
My plan? You just really want to know my plan?
Yeah.
Fine, I'll let you know. I am going to rearrest him. And then make sure he spends up to 1 week in the police custody. Then I will be sure that I have taken my own pound of flesh. Period.
Oh. And will that give you fulfillment?
Of course. It will.
Look, you don't belong to that past anymore. Thank you. Stop crying over spilt milk. Okay? It's high time you moved on with your life and forget about Ebuka. Look, explore the possibilities before you and let him be. If you do anything, people will liken you to be a jealous housewife.
Jealous ex-housewife. I support my friend here, Linda, on this.
Wow! You never forget this man. I mean, you dey miss you, Coco. You are go.
I'm gonna make her shift before she go slap me or change her
I'm just saying no.
Baby, are we not there yet?
No, we are not there yet. This way. We're not there yet. We are
I'm tired, baby.
I know, just a second and you're there.
So finally we're there.
Yes.
It's
Baby! Baby! I can't believe this! I can't believe it, baby!
Sweet sweetheart in love, sweet Dalima, my Miss Kaki,
It's Deka. Good evening, no. Hey, good evening. How are you doing? I do. How are you now? Fine, yeah. These days just dey scarce. What did happen now?
My dear, you can say that again. You see, this is my new job. I'm enjoying it. See, in this life, it's not good to judge people before you get to know them.
How do you mean?
Madam Ngozi, hey, I never knew she's such a nice person. Very kind and understanding. Hey!
Sure, I tell you that one the other day, but you just waved me off. Oh, now you have seen it with your eyes.
Maybe we don't need to blame me too much. You know, I and Madam Ngozi has been on the wrong foot for a long time. You see, these days, we understand each other very, very well. And I am ready to protect her. Yes.
Protect or not protect? At least, more money they enter our account now, eh?
Oh, which one? There's no money. There's no money.
I'm like, go house, I beg.
Oh my God, sweetheart, you're very, very funny. What if I chose not to go on honeymoon in our own time? What would you have done?
Well, it's simple. Lure you into the car, deceive you, and then before you know it, we're at the airport.
You will do no such thing. When you know I go to bed without undies.
Does it matter? Have you forgotten you're my wife?
My husband, you're very, very crazy.
I guess that's the more reason you cannot do without me.
Oh, baby.
Sweetheart.
Yes, baby.
You were trying to tell me something while we were eating. What is that all about?
Yes, baby. I want to tell you that I want to start up something like a business to keep myself busy. So while you are away, I will have something doing.
You see, you're my wife, but it appears you do not know my weight. Let me elaborate. You want to keep yourself busy? I have fleets of cars out there. Pick any key of your choice. Go to wherever you desire. You have the pin to all my ATM cards. Spend money for no reason. Now let me ask you, why would you want to invest on something when you have everything?
But baby...
There is no baby here. My word is final.
Next.
My phone. Hello? Mama. I'm fine.
He don't belong, he don't belong, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey.
Oh, God. You're crazy. Yeah, like the last time we went to Turkey, right? Wow. What do we have here? Angie! I'm sorry, darling. I have to call you back, okay? Hey, Anna. Baby, guess what? What? Guess. Can't. You know I'm not good at guessing. What's up? Babe, spill it.
Babe, as we speak now, My baby is sailing from Atlantic Ocean to Africa, Nigeria.
How do you mean?
Yeah. Say hello. Hello to the owner of the latest version of Java.
Oh my God! Stop it! Yeah! Just sit down. Oh my gosh, we need to pop some. You need what?
I'm telling you the truth.
That must have cost you so much. I mean, so much fortune.
Yes, I have the money.
Ah, I know. White angels.
Yeah.
Wow! I am so happy for you.
Thank you.
Anyways, I've always been a car freak. I'm not surprised. You know me. I'm not into cars. I mean, I can drive one particular car for 3 years and you know.
You don't need to tell me, I know.
I think I'm a freak of phones, hair, clothes, down below, you know. Please tell me what to offer you. I have quick coats, I have. I'm just so happy for you. Kudos. Nice one.
Thank you.
I can't wait.
I'm so happy.
You know, now you're beginning to make me want to purchase something.
Really? What could that be?
A man.
A man? You mean a husband?
Of course.
Have you forgotten you're a white angel?
Please, comfort. What are we even saying? Those roles, I mean the roles were made by someone, right? Besides, breaking this one isn't going to be a big deal. Come off it. Back to our celebration. What do you want to drink, please? I have pickles, I have wood, I have name it.
I'm okay. I don't need anything.
You know you are mine.
Oh, really?
Yes, you are, because I can tell from your eyes.
So you're telling me that my eyes are a giveaway?
You can say whatever you like. No matter how you twist it, just to see those small sparks.
Why don't you tell me the spots?
Which sparks?
In my eyes. You're expecting something? Yeah, come.
Anna! You didn't tell me you were coming. You should have called me. What if I wasn't at home?
Where is your phone? Oh, now I see why you're not picking your calls.
Hello.
He always distracts me. My bad, hey boyfriend. Let me introduce my boyfriend to you, Anna. Hey babe, my friend Anna. Anna, my boyfriend.
Hello, Anna. It's nice to meet you.
The pleasure is mine.
All right, baby. I'll be inside the other room.
Okay, I'll worry. Sit down. What? Sit down. Why are you looking at me like that?
Listen, Angel. In as much as you want to make yourself happy, remember there are rules. And breaking any of those rules lead to instant death.
What are you saying? Please. All work and no play makes Ngozi a dog girl. You know, you should have some fun. I mean, once in a while. Not just buying things.
Angie.
I mean, yes, you know, sometimes you need to have a seat. I'm getting you a drink. And food. There.
Everything possible, all to no avail. And this is why I have come to consult with you.
Do not be afraid. Tell them that the noble man watches over them.
They already know about that, Grandmaster. As we speak, the woman is at the police custody. She is a witness against my friends. Grandmaster, we need to do something. We need to do something now.
Tell them not to be afraid. The big masquerade has taken the center stage. What next?
I don't understand. You seem very excited.
I should be excited. I have good news for you.
Alright. I'm listening.
But you need to pick one. Which do you prefer? The good news or your meal?
Why would you want me to choose? Now that's a setup. You know you're a very good cook and I will always want to prepare your food. But now that good news is involved, shoot.
Your baby is 3 weeks gone. I'm pregnant.
Are you serious?
Yes, baby, I'm pregnant. The doctor confirmed it early today.
Wow. You just made me a happy man.
Oh, I'm happy, baby. I'm so happy.
Thank you, baby. Thank you. Thank you. So tell me, where would you want us to start? Where? Where? Just name anywhere of your choice.
Anywhere, baby.
Anywhere.
Of course, you know the dawn will not be excluded in this celebration.
Why are you always on time when it has to do with good news?
The dawn is always on time.
Welcome, Don.
Well done, you came right on time. I have a very good news for you.
Very well.
My wife here just told me that the doctor confirmed that she's 3 weeks gone.
Well, bravo. Congratulations to the both of you.
Thank you.
I am very sure your child will be proud of you.
Of course! Just like I am proud of my child.
Honey, let me dance save the...
Oh, please, baby. Just anything.
Yeah.
Anything.
Yeah, baby.
Baby. Good news!
1 second of your time, please.
Dawn.
The dawn.
Yes.
Ebuka.
Yes.
You see, we have a lot of unanswered questions hovering around us.
I don't understand.
Ebuka. You see, the seed your wife is carrying belongs to the noblemen of the First Order.
Let's see how you talk.
The child in your wife's womb shall be sacrificed to the noblemen. You see, this will be in appreciation for all the good things. All the good things we have done.
Now you hold it right there. What are you talking about?
Are you in any way telling me that you're a nobleman?
A ritualist?
Brother, you see, the sweetest smiles sometimes hold the darkest secrets. Now you have a good day, brother.
Bastard! Can you imagine? Oh, I'm going to teach you a lesson that you will never forget in a hurry. What? You slimy bitch. Anna!
Baby, calm down, okay?
How dare you tell me to calm down?
Stop it! Ngozi!
Daughter of a servant. So this is how you are. Why did you tell me you wanted my man all this while? Anna, you had the effrontery, you had the leverage to hang out with my man.
Baby, I said calm down.
Let another one. Shut the hell up! Hey! It's yours! You will come and meet me, Anna!
It's okay!
Why do you come and meet me? And I will see you again! Ngozi! Did you see that?
Calm down.
Did you see it?
I'm sorry.
Leave me alone! Leave me! Don't come close to me!
I said I'm sorry about that! What is wrong with you? Ngozi, what is wrong with you? Because of your self-centeredness or your jealousy?
Please shut your trap! Shut that shithole between your face! I know what I saw. You don't even think of deceiving me. I know what I saw! You guys will took us for my comfort. Period!
Don't spare me that!
Oh, Richard, that picture spoke volume and you know what I am talking about!
You saw nothing. I said you saw nothing! I was only there for a meeting to seal up the deal I've been pursuing with our company for a long time. And you got there with your attitude and messed the whole thing up. That was what happened.
I'm sorry. I didn't know. I'm sorry. You didn't tell me about it. I didn't know. You know how I am when it comes to you. You know how overprotective I am. I do not want to lose you.
Baby. We need to reevaluate this. I mean, I cannot be with a girl who can't control her emotions. I can't. I'm sorry. I just can't. This relationship...
Did what? Richard! This relationship did what?
It's over.
Oh!
It's over.
Beautiful! So this is it. Wonderful actor you are. Oh! So after... No, wait. Hush, I'm not done. So after... You are joking, right? You want to leave me for who? For that thing?
Listen.
No, wait. You're joking.
I'm not joking, I'm serious. Because you slapped the living daylight.
And I will slap you again. Again and again. Oh, okay. So after being in a relationship with me, where do you think you're going to? Sit your ass down. We die here.
Get up. I said get up, I need to leave this. What? Can you imagine this?
She leaves. The woman leaves. And she's ready to testify against my friends in court.
Calm down.
Grandmaster, how am I supposed to calm down? If my friends go down, they will surely pull us down with them.
How?
If that woman testifies against us, that means doom for all of us. I thought you took care of this.
Yes.
Then why is she still alive?
Have you suddenly cut your tongue? Now read the rules of the white angels.
Thou shalt not be at war with a fellow white angel. The penalty is
death. You see, you broke the rules that bind us by causing harm to a fellow white angel. Now you have to face the consequences.
I am sorry, great leader. Please, forgive me.
We welcomed you as one of us. And make sure you enjoy the benefits of the white angels.
Have mercy. Please, I beg of you, Supreme Leader, forgive me, I am sorry.
Very well then. We will only answer to your plea if the one you hurted badly pleads on your behalf. You have just 3 days, else you face the full penalty of the white angels.
What do you mean by deadlock? Huh? And why am I paying you that much? Huh? Simple assignment you can't deliver. And you sit down here looking at me like a lame dog.
Be careful. Take it easy. Barrister, please, can you explain to us what you mean by deadlock?
The court could not grant me a restraining order against the police, insisting that the police already obtained order from a high court.
Then go to Supreme Court. Go to Supreme Court. Go to Supreme Court and tell me how much it will cost. Just get me and my brother out of this place. That's all.
We have to wait till the arraignment, and then we'll apply for your bail.
Barrister, are you aware? Are you aware of the fact that they are accusing us wrongly? Because they don't have any evidence. No witness. Nothing.
That is not what I was told.
Then what did I tell you? What?
Honey, you're crying. What's the matter?
I just need some time out.
Honey.
I need to be left alone. I need time to think things through.
Honey, what's the matter? You look deeply troubled. You can't tell me there is no problem because you're crying.
Life has turned its back on me. I am confused. I am just like a man trapped between the devil and the deep blue sea.
Honey, I'm your wife. And you know you can confide in me. Please. What is going on? Please talk to me. Baby, please.
I did not know. I was deceived. I was betrayed. And they came to me. I never knew who they were. But now, I just found out that everyone I call friend is a ritualist.
What?
It's not what you think. I never asked for it. I swear to you, I didn't know. They gave me everything. Wealth, influence, everything. But how did I know that in exchange for this wealth is the soul of my unborn child?
My baby! No! How did this come about?
I know you've lost trust for me. I know right now I am nothing but a beast. Let me make you a promise. As long as I live, no harm will come to you. Oh, my unborn child. All I ask is little time.
Life full of mysteries, stories and memories, pains, love and tragedy, all in one food. Love we got, hate we got, stories begun, we just have hope. Oh life, oh life, oh life, reaching pain. Oh life, oh life, oh life, what a world. Life full of mysteries, stories and memories, pains, love and tragedy, all in one food. Love we got, hate we got, stories begun, we just have hope. Life full of mysteries, Stories and memories, peace, love and tragedy, all in one food. Love we got, hate we got, stories begun.
Grandmaster, can't we at least find another means to approach him? I doubt if he will accept to give up his unborn child.
He has to choose between comfort and poverty. Remember, we chose him and changed his life. He has no other choice but to bow to pressure.
Very well then, Grandmaster. How much time do we have?
Grace abounds for Ebuka. He will succumb finally.
Stop talking to me about going back home. As far as I'm concerned, Ebuka, this marriage is over.
This marriage is not over. This marriage can never be over. What are you talking about? Yes, I made a terrible mistake, but it wasn't deliberate. Like I told you before, I was used. I was tricked. How can you break this beautiful home all because of my mistake? Please, my love, I cannot do without you. Let us go home.
Ebuka, stay away from me. Leave me alone. Please, stay away from me and my child. I beg you in the name of God, leave me alone!
You cannot keep my child away from me. That child needs a father as much as you need a husband.
I'm going nowhere. I am going nowhere. Leave my house. Leave my house and leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Ujunwa, you are not supposed to be standing here. The sun is too much. Let's go inside.
I'm fine, Mama. I want to be here.
Are you okay?
I'm very well, Mama.
No, my daughter. You are not. I am really worried about you. I feel what you might be passing through at the moment. Especially with your condition. I suggest you go back to your husband
Yes, he might be a great support to you.
Mama, which husband are you talking about? He says you don't understand what I've been saying. Mama, you want me to go back to a man that wants to use my baby for ritual purposes? Never. I will not be alive and watch them succeed. Never, Mama. It's over between I and Ebuka.
Your attitude was childish. You should have reported to me and allow me handle this the way I can. Now you made a sin and broke the rule. You have to pay for it.
Come off it, Linda. Why are you sounding like this? You're just rubbing the whole guilt all over my face. Trust me, if you were in my shoes, you would have done worse. Hey, please. I just want you to help me talk to Anna. Let her forgive me. I beg you in the name of God.
That will be difficult. Do you know the extent of damage you caused on Anna?
Linda, I know what I did was wrong. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. Help me talk to Anna. You can do it. I promise it will never happen again. I'm on my knees. I beg you, please. I don't want to die. I don't want to die yet, please. I'm sorry. What are you doing here?
I thought I told you to stay away from me.
Oh, please stop it. You are parked in the middle of the road, or don't you realize that? What are you doing here, parked in the middle of the road?
That is not your business. You chose your path, and I have chosen mine. Stay away from me.
You are just very stubborn. So strong-headed. You know your problem? Your pride. You think running away from the problem is going to solve anything for you? No. You need to stand up and fight it like a man. Come off it, Ebuka.
Ngozi, what do you want?
To talk. We might have gone our separate ways, but come off it, Ebuka. We still have a lot to talk about. Ebuka, you need to put yourself together. Everything will be alright.
Everything will not be alright. Everything can never be alright. The life of my wife and my unborn child are in danger because of my carelessness and selfishness.
You can't say that. You can't blame yourself. It's not your fault. No one spits sugar out of their mouth. You are a victim and I am a volunteer. You know, sometimes I just wish I can turn back the hands of time. I still remain married to you.
Enough of me. So let's talk about you. How did it happen? What happened to you? How come about all this sudden wealth?
Well, it's a long story. I had some rich friends. They lived in good houses. Drove exotic cars. They were always flaunting their wealth. Let's just say I sold my soul to the devil. And now I am at crossroads with them for breaking the law. Yes. Anyways, never mind. I miss our old days. Those days you come back to the house, tell me there's no money, your boss broke down and all that. Yes, I get angry. It's a normal thing. I miss those days you come back and you buy me drinks, buy me Kobe, and make sweet love to me.
Good old days.
Yeah.
I have never stopped thinking about those days. Shake it.
Don't break it.
But the question is, what happened to us?
Linda, I thought we agreed that it's just both of us. What is she doing here?
Anna, calm down. We're here for the same thing. Please, sit down.
I am sitting down because of you.
Thank you. This means a lot to me. Look, Ngozi here is very sorry for what she did to you. Please, forgive her.
Linda, since when did you become her mouthpiece?
Anna, I'm sorry. Yes, I overreacted. But trust me, if you were in my shoes, I'm sure you would have done worse. How did you expect me to feel seeing you with my boyfriend? When I got the picture, I went mad. I'm sorry I overreacted. Forgive me. Please.
Well, I will forgive you on one condition.
Tell me whatever it is, as long as it's in my capacity to deliver, I will.
Okay. You have to help me with my task.
Which is?
Simple. A 3-month-old baby. That you must deliver to me.
Anna. Judy Grace. No. Judy Gary, you okay? Are you alright? What sort of rubbish? Don't tell me to calm down, please. Linda! Oh, I see. You are involved in this, right? Both of you planned. So you were expecting me to fall for this cheap trap. I refuse to fall for it. What rubbish? I should really go to you. Rubbish. No, trust me, please. You can keep your stupid forgiveness to yourself. Who cares? Get out of here, please. What nonsense. My gracious leader, I am sorry. I only acted out of ignorance and jealousy. Please forgive me.
Supreme Leader, I know she broke the rules. but your heart flows with milk of kindness. Please, have mercy.
The law was sealed with your blood, which simply means commitment. So there is no room for reconsideration. Your time is up.
Please, my leader, you can do something for me, please. Reconsider. My friend Linda here can attest to my loyalty to White Angel. Please.
But leader, there's always substitution in our rules.
Yes, my leader. I've seen it work before. Please, can it be applied here? Substitution. That secret is only applied to the top echelon of the White Angels. Very well then. That will be applied. Blood for blood.
I don't understand.
Your mother. She will take your place. Sprinkle this on her and everything will be fine.
My mother.
I don't wonder. Now this Ebuka will come the other time, going to spread money anyhow for this park.
My brother, the thing tire me. The thing vex me pass. See Ebuka, person where they chop for breakable plate. So the little change. There is in Allah. The thing there gone.
So it means say you get problem for your business ability.
Question. No, if you ask me now, who I go ask? Go put your motor for pill. See, I go change. Come, give me that. I go change your tone.
Okay, Buka. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I did fine. I've wanted to ask you a question a very long time ago, but you're always on the road. So tell me, what happened to all these your big cars and money? I mean, because ever since you returned back to this pit, it looks as if it's all happening in my dreams.
It is not a dream, Nathaniel. It is real. You see, if only you can open your eyes to see beyond what is happening in this world, you will continue to live your life in fear. Nathaniel, a lot is happening in this world. You see, greed, quest for money and power, accepting things, especially money, from people with questionable characters and sources. It's not good. If you're doing it, stop it. It's you. Don't ask me questions. Thank God that I am here alive to give you this advice. A lot happened. A lot will happen to you if you do not take my advice. Now, load the bus, let's go to work.
Body there. Ogini, what have you come here to do? Mama, I am still your daughter. No matter the cold attitude you give me, I will still come here because it is my father's house. What have I done to you? Why are you treating me this way? You've not even said welcome to me. I drove all the way from a distance to come and see you. I never said you should not come to your father's house. I only said you should settle down with your husband, stay in your husband's house. Only I know have a bed. Look at me. Did you say you have made up with Ebuka? Yes, ma'am. Hey, Mama. Hey, you come. Guys, now you come now. But I see by now that you're coming. I made your house with them. Hey, how you doing?
Ebuka.
Why don't you at least listen to me?
Listen to you? What do you think you want to tell me? Why should I listen to you? Give me one reason why I should listen to you.
Well, if you must know, you are my very good friend.
Your friend?
Yes.
God forbid. I cannot be friends with a devil's agent. Look at you. One will look at you and say, oh, he's fresh, he's good looking, he's innocent, he's quiet, he's kind. But within you, you are nothing but the devil's incarnate. That's who you are.
Ebuka, why do you prefer life in the slum than the very good life that you've had? Listen, let me tell you something. Money looks good on you. Why don't you come back? Your space is still there with the noblemen. Come back and join us.
That will be over my dead body. I'd rather die than to wine or dine with you demons. And let me tell you something. Make hay while the sun shines. Leave now that the ovation is still high. For your own good.
Well, thank you. It is you who needs liberation. You should understand the sacrifices. The moment you sacrifice your son, lots of money, breakthrough, none of this life.
Now hold it! Enough! Now let me warn you. If anything happens to my son, if anything happens to my son, I will expose you and those you call brothers.
You will do no such.
Watch me. Watch me! Watch me! Watch me!
Mama. Ngozi. Hey, Mama. I've been calling you, but you've been sleeping. This one was timing like this. Hey, Mama, I got an urgent call. I have to go back to the city. In fact, I must hurry back right now. Urgent call? Yes, Mama. How can you go hurry back to the... I hope all is well. Mama, all is well. I just have to get back. Ebuka, is Ebuka okay? Mama, it's fine. Wait. Nga, one more thing. Okay. There is something I had wanted to tell you. Okay. But I couldn't. You know I love you so. Me too. It's about those your friends that you came home with the other day. My spirit does not accept them. You know, now that you have made up with Ebuka, please flee from them if you know how to fly. Flee. I will fly, Mama. Such friends. One no na dia na hayo indi no ni lo. Okay. One will take you, Mama. Yes, Mama. One. Hey, get on.
If I no get money, now waiting again. Life full of mysteries, stories and memories, pains, love and tragedy, all in one food. Love we got, hate we got, stories we got, just have
Hello, who is this? What did you say? What did you say? My wife!
Life full of mysteries, stories and memories, pains, love and tragedy, all in one
Stop crying. You want to kill us?
Where is my wife and my unborn child? Where's my wife?
You have finally succeeded in killing my daughter and her unborn child. I thought you are different from every other person. Not knowing you are the real wolf in the sheep's clothing. Ebuka, I curse you. Ebuka, I curse you. I curse you, Ebuka. Your wife is dead.
It's okay, you want to kill yourself. You want to kill yourself. Stop crying.
Life full of mysteries, stories and memories, pains, love and tragedy, all in one food. Love we got, hate we got, stories begun, we just have hope. Oh life, oh life, oh life, reaching pain. Oh life, oh life, oh life, what a world. Life full of mysteries, stories and memories, pains, love and tragedy, all in one food. Love we come, hate we come, stories bigger, we just have hope. Life full of mysteries, stories and memories, pains, love and tragedy, all in one food. Love we come, hate we come, stories bigger, we just have hope.
I didn't ask anything from you. Where did I go wrong? Why did you choose to torment me? Why? What crime have I committed to you? Why did you choose to destroy my life? Nothing. I am going to end this now. Good morning, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
Chill. I've been waiting to hear from you.
Sir, I don't understand. What do you mean by you've been waiting for me?
You know, when you packed in, you gave me half.
Half?
Yes.
Okay, landlord, I came to you, I explained things to you. I gave you money for 6 months.
I don't mean me for 6 months. Go and look for money and give me complete 1 year. Before you packed in, someone offered me money for 2 years and I refused. I wanted to give you because I see you as a struggling young man. So go and look for money and give me complete 1 year.
Landlord, why are you talking like this? I came that day, I explained things to you. I told you how I'm managing. I said.
I don't mean me for 6 months. Go and look for money and give me complete 1 year.
Inviting trouble to yourself. You are supposed to sprinkle the water on her.
Why are you sounding like this? You sound as if it's just like easy. It's my mom we're talking about, for Christ's sake. Calm down. I just couldn't see myself doing it. I can't.
Angie, I understand, okay? But listen up. Nobody lives on earth forever. Right now, your life is at stake. So cut the sentiment and do the needful. Except you want to die.
I do not want to die, but I just can't kill her. I can't see myself doing it. If only I listened to her advice in the first place, I wouldn't have found myself in this mess.
Angie, you have a bright future ahead of you. An exciting one at that. Don't worry. The white angels will make your life beautiful and better for you.
you meant living in bondage, I would have made a better choice.
Fine. You made your bed. But remember, if you fail to sacrifice your mother, you will leave the white angels with no choice than to take her life. And even at that, you will lose everything you got from us. Have a nice day.
Ngozi, I am not going anywhere. Please. See, there is no time for this, your dramas. And you being stubborn either is not going to solve anything for me. Just follow me back to the city. That way I will be able to take care of you. You've been here for long now. There's nobody here with you. What type of stubborn are you talking about? Why is it that you're not considering the goats that I will live in this village? Who will feed my goats? Or do you have a sister or brother? Do I have any other child? Huh? These goats now, there is nobody to feed them, and there is no neighbor that will agree to accept to keep them with them. I cannot leave my goats and go to the city. And you have not even told me the reason for this sudden travel. Mama, I have my reasons. Huh? Trust me. Mama, okay, if it's the goats, just pack them, let us go. Huh? If you want goat meat, there's a lot of goat meat in the city. You can eat all the meat you want. We are not talking about goats, killing goats or eating goats. I'm talking about that new goat you saw the last time you came. That's female goat you saw. Just gave birth to children. Oh my God. Who will I leave the goats from? Huh? Who will feed my goats? Mama. I don't abide the idea of suddenly traveling to city. To do what? Who will I leave my husband's compound for? Who will take care of my husband's compound? Because I'm going to get city. Take care.
And she refused.
Helen, this is totally preposterous. I mean, I don't know how she developed cold feet. Ngozi I know was very tough and strong-willed. But the Ngozi I met out there is totally different and very weak.
Well, she has chosen her path. Death.
Well, if she dies, I wouldn't budge. I will not even pity her. All we owe her is a decent burial.
You can say that again. Yes.
The fly that refuses to heed to advice follows the corpse to the grave.
You're right. I broke their rules. And now they are threatening to kill my mother. I went home to bring her with me, but she refused to follow me.
Why would she refuse? Didn't you explain things to her?
Oh no, that would have worsened the case. I'm sure she wouldn't have come with me. Ebuka, you know my mother respects you so much. I want you to do something for me, please. Help me convince Mama to come with you. I'm sure she will listen to you. I need her to be beside me. I need to watch her. Please, I beg of you. That is the first step in defeating them. Please, I beg of you.
All right. I'll talk to your mother. But before then, you have to promise me one thing. you return everything you took from them. Cars, houses, clothes, jewelries, everything. Now do you promise? Do you promise?
Serious? Yes, you see that first room? That one day, that was their room. That's where they stay. You came late, sir. Maybe we would have met them. What really happened? Hey! No wonder. No wonder they asked us to vacate from the office till further notice. This one looks like a Nigerian movie. Yay!
Mama, once again, you're welcome.
Thank you, my son. Ma? I still wonder why you and your wife want me to be together to come and stay with you people.
Mama. It's nothing. We just wanted you to come and spend some time with us. And besides, we wanted you to know that we have reconciled.
Hey, one more thing, it's high time we started taking care of you. Hey,
I'm very happy that both of you have reconciled. Marriage is going to fire. So, I have been praying to God. Going to church is booking masses that God Almighty will never allow my enemies to destroy my daughter's marriage. Amen.
And God Almighty has answered your prayer.
Amen.
So now, before we wash our dirty linens outside, let us go.
Let us go. God is answering my prayers.
What are you doing here? Why have you decided to beat the finger that fed you? Yeah? That will never happen. Oh. My mother will never be used for sacrifice. What is wrong with you girls? What? Henceforth, I do not want to have anything to do with you. Just stay away from me. Look at them. Blood suckers.
Mind your language, Ngozi. You have sucked from the breast of the white angels. Don't try to wipe your mouth, because your tongue can still taste of its sweet remnants.
Look at you. After breaking the rules of the white angels, after enjoying all the good things of life, you are here spilling rubbish. Saying rubbish with your mouth. I give back everything to you girls. The cars, house, name it. What else do you girls want? Why can't you let me have peace and tranquility in my own husband's house? What do you want? Stay away from me.
You can never have it until you do the needful. The ear that refuses to heed to advice. When the head is cut off, it follows suit. Let's go.
Okay. Ogini na Fiato. This one that are working like soldiers. Or the Wanamba. Are you people quarreling?
No, Mama.
Are those not your friends that visited the village with you some time ago?
Yes, Mama.
Oh, Panagini nice.
Just forget about them. They belong to my past now.
Past?
Let's go inside.
What past?
Mama, let's go inside.
It is showing one so.
There's no so.
Ngozi. Ngozi. Is there one so?
There's no so.
Well,
Hey! Who are you? And what are you doing in here? This is a restricted area, meant for only the patient's family.
Well, I am family. Sorry. I was meant to say family friend.
Okay.
So tell me, Doc, how is he?
They have been this way since they were brought in here.
They. So who's the lady?
We don't know yet.
Is he going to be alright?
We are still observing them.
Very well, Doc. You have a good day.
My enemies are finally met down with me. Hey! My daughter, look at my children. What is remaining for me? Look at me. They want to take everything from me. They want to take everything from me. Look call God for me, my daughter. Let God show me mercy. Hey! Hey!
Mama, pull yourself together. They will be fine.
Grandmaster, I await your command. What do you suggest we do?
We must move him out of that hospital.
But he is in coma. And if I move him, he will die.
Do you doubt my abilities?
I am so sorry, Grandmaster. I didn't mean to say it like that. I was meaning to say, he is under close watch. And if I make a move, the hospital authorities will spot me. By the way, why do you want to move him?
The couple must not be allowed to complete the prayer cycle.
What's prayer prayer circle are you talking about?
Why do you suddenly become inquisitive? Go and do as I command. There is no time.
Right away, Grandmaster.
Dr. Mom, because imagine they are not waking up. Why are they like this? They have been like that up till now.
Mama, I told you, they are in coma.
Coma. Doctor. Mommy, coma. Don't take coma. If that place is near or even far, tell me I'm their mother. Let me rush and go and help them to come out. Because no matter how much it will take, let me go there. Because they have been like that.
It's okay. Mama, calm down. Coma is not what you go and get. It's not what you see. Let's just observe and pray that they will come out of it. Okay?
Observe and pray. Doctor, don't be offended if my question is making you uncomfortable. Okay. Oh, Mama, I don't understand at all. What I'm saying is that those children come out of that coma without the help of their mother. Because I want to go and help my children. You have been treating them nothing. You've been running up and down. You and all these beautiful nurses, nothing. If it is not working, Kambarulo. How will you want to disappointed? How will you get money on a message? It has not been helpful.
Mama,
because after you hey!
I cannot let you administrate house on them right now. Because right now we are having a very close look at them.
If you can go to the coma, go and bring them. Help me.
Calm down. They are not dead. They are still alive. The only problem is that they are not aware of what is happening around them. Okay? They will come out. Just calm down. I have to go to my office, okay? Just calm down. Calm down, please. I have to be now.
Hey, come on, hey! Come on. What are you looking for here?
Mama, don't you remember us? We are Ngosi's friends. We paid you a visit back in the village.
I know, but I am not comfortable with the way you people are standing here, looking at my daughter like,
Mama, we only came to check on our friend. Yes. Why are you sounding as if you are the driver of the bus that crashed?
Oh.
Yes, Mama.
Before I open my eyes, let it be that you can fly back from where you're coming from.
Mama, please.
You're still here. Doctor! I will shout, Doctor! Run! Run! Go, no. Iheme Chinedu. Jesus spoke. Chineke na bring God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. Chineke bawake, Obara Jesus, bawake, Obara Jesus, Obara Jesus. Every plan of the evil was against my children.
I cancel it. Let them catch fire. Let them catch fire.
I see the hangman has been let loose. Who knows the victim already marked?
Well, you see, I do not have time for flying witches. Especially baby witches like you, who are yet to grow wings. Certainly, you're all here to finish a job.
Be careful, Don.
Don't worry. I know how to handle him. For starters, hangman, watch your mouth. You do not want to incur my wrath by drawing attention to yourself.
Now, why is that so important to you? Is that your conscience breaking you?
The last time I checked, we got scores to settle. Don't you think today is the day of reckoning? Don't you?
Very well then. If you think today is the day of reckoning, why don't you throw the first punch?
Oh.
I am waiting.
Oh. Not today. Thank your stars, I'm not in the mood for that now. Some other time.
Before I forget, take this carton out of our way.
Take this car out.
Take it out.
Oh, you came back because an ordinary girl who operates in a lower realm throws you a challenge.
Grandmaster, I am not supposed to wash my dirty hands in public.
Stop! The White Angels has been fighting the great temple of the great Hanziza from the time immemorial. It is high time they are relegated to the other side of existence, where they will cease to exist.
Grandmaster, I understand.
No, you don't understand. Because if you do, the body of Ebuka will be lying here now.
Are you Mr. Don Ifechukwu?
Well, who's asking?
You are invited to CCID.
For what?
For questioning.
Very well then. At least let me make a call.
You don't have to do so. You are liberty have receipts. So you have to go to Amato. So I will proceed to our office.
What's the meaning of this? Why are you obstructing my view? What's going on here?
They are needed at the police station for questioning.
For what?
For the face of attempted murder reported against you people.
And then, if we choose not to go, what will happen?
Yes.
Then I have no other choice to use minimum force on you. Then you now move it. Move it now. Move it.
Oga, I know my right.
Yes.
I know my right.
Yes.
Move to the camp. I know my right.
Move it.
I know my right.
Move it.
I know my right.
Well, the trauma from the accident caused you miscarriage.
Doctor, was I truly pregnant?
Yes. You are a few weeks gone. Luckily, the womb was not affected. I'm sincerely sorry about that. There is nothing we could do.
Doctor, my wife and I cannot thank you enough for all you did, for your efforts. Thank you.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Well, you are free to go now. But don't forget to stop by the dispensary for your prescription.
Thank you. My milkshake. I love you.
If I no get money, now waiting again. Sweetie, I got it now. Sweet now, darling, sweetheart now. I got it now. Sweet now, darling, my mistake. When money day, love will go day. When money disappear, love is illusion. When money day, love is trouble. When money disappear, love will disappear.